Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to offer packages on Fiverr. So the first thing you have to do is to go to your gig section. So this is my account, or an account, not mine rather, an account I'm managing. So click on analytics, or sorry, my business rather. Click on my business and go to gigs. So from here we can select any of the gigs I've created or you've created to edit them, and then we can offer a package from there. So let's just click on edit for us to be able to good. So from here, once this is good, yeah, since you just want to offer the package, just go to the pricing section. Yes, just click save. You should take us to the next section because this is not where we are focused on. Okay, good. So on the pricing section, we can offer packages here, and these are the packages. We can label them. This is I labeled mine as basic stand. I just did the same thing. So if I want, you can change it to let's say bronze, silver, gold. Let me just do that. Bronze, silver, and gold. So once you've gotten this done, you can explain what each package stands for. This is a brief piece, 1,000 words. This is a moderate book, 5,000 words, and this is a long-sized book, 10,000 words. And you can set the delivery days: 3 days, 7 days, 14 days, unlimited. For the revisions if you want it unlimited, or you can give a specific number of revisions you can offer per package, and you can just set it for each one of them and include the amounts of words that will be in the piece you're writing. If you are creating a writing niche, a writing gig. So if you're not, just use your discretion to create what you feel is good, or the good market rate. Then you can go through all of this and choose the best ones you can offer for each package. You can see you pay more attention to the silver and gold packages, and the best way to go about this is to set the basic to be basic, and then this standard and premium, they should be better looking than the basic. They should be more enticing, just the same way you can see three prices and then you go for the one that you feel you make the best gain in. So you have to think like a buyer in this point, that what will make you actually go for the best one. So you have that in mind when creating each of these gig, and once you're done, you can also add additional words or these extra services, and once you're done, you can just click on save, and that's it. You've created your package, and then you can offer your package to your clients. So this is how to actually offer a package on Fiverr. If this video has been helpful to you in any way, let me know in the comment section, and guys, please subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.